Today, we're diving into the Corning Unicam OM1 Multimode 62.5 high-performance Pretium fiber optic connector, model 95-000-51. Designed with a ceramic ferrule, this connector promises robust performance and reliability in fiber optic networks. It comes in a convenient box of 25 units, ideal for professional setups requiring consistent connectivity. Corning, known for its quality in optical solutions, delivers here with a connector that ensures low insertion loss and high return loss, crucial for maintaining signal integrity over distances. The ST compatibility ensures easy integration into existing setups, while the OM1 Multimode support caters to typical short-distance applications within buildings or campuses. Engineers and network administrators will appreciate its ease of installation thanks to the Unicam termination process, which simplifies field installations without compromising on performance. If you're looking for a dependable solution for your multimode fiber optic network, the Corning Unicam OM1 connector could be your best bet.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.